Be honest, how long do you spend online each day?
Am I supposed to tell you?
you probably can't count that high. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, too much.
A 2025 survey of 2,000 adults found the typical American spends more than 10 hours per day on the internet.
Wow. All right, while being online may make us feel more connected to family and friends, there's evidence it could also hurt our health.
Excessive screen time can have physical consequences, including eye and neck strains and poor posture. Studies also link it to psychological issues such as anxiety and depression.
To improve mental health, one doctor believes people should write themselves a prescription for going outside.
Reporter Carrie Beal explains how Mother Nature has the ability to heal.
The view, the sounds, and the creatures. There is something about nature that makes us feel connected.
Well, humans, we really didn't evolve to live in these big structured communities with all the traffic and lights and noise, and our genetic roots are in the outdoors and the surroundings that we see around us right now.
Some may know Prisma Health Emergency Dr. Nathaniel Mann in the setting of a lab coat. But his true calling is as a wilderness medicine physician. He spent 2 years traveling the world, practicing medicine in all kinds of remote environments.
Include altitude illness and diving injuries, outdoor sports related injuries, race medicine, and that's what I did my fellowship in.
In all of his years of medicine, he's found that being outside is one of the most powerful treatments. Do you think we should be prescribing people be outside more, kind of like we do medicine? Or
I absolutely think we should. I'm personally an advocate for holistic health in a lot of different ways.
That's because of all the benefits he has seen, and it's backed up in literature.
Sunlight is beneficial for your body for vitamin D development and has links to improved cancer rates and decreased infections and a whole host of other medical problems that are directly connected to your interaction with the sun.
Exercising outside can also have physical benefits, but it's our mental health that may need it the most.
We have a lot of data and research out there about the psychological effects of being outdoors.
Research shows it can help ease symptoms of depression, anxiety, ADHD, stress, autism, and much more.
I think these days we see so much time on screens. People are on their phones, children are on tablets all the time, TV, these things, and there are direct links to anxiety and other psychological conditions as a result.
That's why this family says they try to get out every day.
Nature makes me feel happy and excited when I always get around it because it makes me feel home, like I'm at home.
The Tomlinsons are taking part in the SC7 expedition, which is a statewide trek encouraging people to get outside and conserve land.
Getting to watch her see the sun come through the trees and being able to put a shadow on a leaf, the fish glistening in the creek, it just makes you feel wholesome.
These hikers say it's tranquility you can't quite get anywhere else. Sometimes the biggest challenge is making the time for it.
It doesn't have to be a hike 7 miles in the woods. We know that based on literature and data that even just 10 or 15 minutes outdoors working in your garden or mowing your lawn or spending time on your back porch can equally yield significant benefits.
One nonprofit helps some students have their first experience with nature. Gateway to the Great Outdoors partners with schools in Chicago and St. Louis, Missouri to offer the ultimate camping experience.
Just let you figure out many different things that you haven't usually done.
The organization has participated in a number of studies and research on the health benefits of time in nature. One study found 97% of students who participated reported improvements in their physical, mental, and emotional health.